right, let's do it. Today's video is on alternate square sum from Codewars, and this is a Python exercise. Super Pythonic. Here we go. Complete the function that takes an array of integers, really in Python will be a list of integers, as input, and finds the sum of the squares of the elements at even positions plus the sum of the rest of the elements at odd position. For empty arrays, the result will be 0. Now, it needs to be explained a little bit what positions mean, because the position is not the same as index. Like it says here. The values at even positions need to be squared, positions. For a language with zero-based indices, this is going to occur at oddly indexed locations. In Python, the values at indices 1, 3, 5, etc. should be squared because these are the second, fourth, and sixth positions. So actually the odd indices are the even positions because the positions are actually 1-based, indices are 0-based. Looking down here a little bit. In this example, got this list, and the even positions are for the 2 and the 4. Notice position begins with a 1, so it's 1-based, not 0-based. 0-based, you're going here, 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 and so on. So we're going to go 1-based to grab the numbers to square. So now that we have the position versus index, I keep saying index, of course, thing. Now we have that squared away. Good choice of words, right? What do we have to do? Well, the items at even positions need to be squared, and you're going to get the sum of those, and the items at the odd positions will just be summed, I believe. Yeah. So sum of the squares at even plus the sum of the rest. And yeah, so the sum of the squares of the even positions and the sums of the odds are all added together to create this large alternate sum. Very good, very good. So let me go ahead and I think I'll just do this one in PyCharm since it's not, sorry, I'll do this in Codewars, not PyCharm, because it's just not that much to it. Gonna increase the size here a little bit more. So perhaps it'll be able to be seen even though blah, 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 blah. Let's see. Yeah. I'm going to create a variable to hold my sum because this is all about summation. So you got to have something, an integer variable to hold your sum. And I'm going to loop through the list using the range loop. And I'm just going to do a conditional where I'm going to look for odd indices, which will be even positions. And remember, you look here, your odd indices will be even positions, and that is where you're going to do the squaring. So yeah, for the odd indices, or odd indexes, you're going to do squaring on those. So I'm going to do a conditional using modulo to find the odd indexes. If the index is odd, I'm going to add a square of that element to my sum. Yeah, and that is the element at I raised to the second power. Of course, it is a square. It's being added to my sum, and there you go. So for the odds, I'm doing that. For the even indexes, which are odd positions, I have an else, and I'm going to add for the even indices or indexes. I can't remember which one it is to say now. I'm kind of crossed up with this index versus index. Somebody tell me in the comments. But anyway, for the even indexes, I'm going to simply add the element value, no squaring. And really, this is all there is to it. For the odd indexes, I do the squaring. For the evens, I do just get the value. Everything's added into the whole sum, and you just return the whole, sum. Ain't a whole lot to it, my friend. To return that, we are good to go. Damn Skippy. I'll run this, or test it. Got two ends. Pass that. Pass that. Impressive, maybe not really, but yeah, this one is kind of a layup, but practice is always good, and no matter how simple. Master the fundamentals and you can really move ahead because you don't have to be looking stuff up. So do not take things lightly and laser focus on those fundamentals. This one's done. Alternate square sum. Interesting idea, maybe a little confusing with the index versus the position thing, but once you get that figured out, you are all good to go. This one's done. Got the points before, so that's it for me. Hope you all like it. And until next time, I am out. See y'all later.